thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, south central Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hamburg, southeast of Schuylkill, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, south central Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hamburg, or 11 miles southeast of Schuylkill, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Kutztown, Hamburg, Leesburg, Shoemakersville, Leonardsville, Ness, Wanamaker, Goodingtown, New Tripoli, Jordan Valley, Emerald, Schmitzville, Cloudsville, Colemanstown, Perryville, and Centerport. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 56 and 73, Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 27 and 55. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, and Lehigh.
Here it goes.
Severe thunderstorm warning for east central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Ridge or over Reading, moving northeast at 35 miles. Trees and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Ennis, Wyomissing, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Sitting Spring, Royaldale, Topton, Leesport, Valley, Lyons, Spring Ridge, Zionsville, Ancient Oaks, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Martini, and Newton. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 56. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 58. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Lehigh.
Extension between mile markers 46 and 56. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile.
In the official National Weather Service forecast, the lower Delaware. Severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gap, or 9 miles south of New Holland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Westchester, Pottstown, Coatesville, Downingtown, Parkersburg, Honeybrook, Elverston, Palmville, Connersville, Town, Mount Vernon, Marshalltown, Leonville, Markwood, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Leonville, Shadawville, West Ocean, Stowe, and Athlone. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 300 and 317. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Westchester,
Pottstown. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Chester, Pennsylvania,
Town, Mount Vernon, Marshalltown, Leonville, Markwood, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Leonville, Shadawville, West Ocean, Stowe, and Athlone. This issue is Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 300 and 317.
Southwind.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania.
There we go. There you go.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chester County and southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wakefield, or 15 miles southeast of Willow Street, moving east at 20 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to
Weather
roofs.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chester County and southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wakefield, or 15 miles southeast of Willow Street, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Kennett Square, Oxford, West Grove, Holmville, Glen Roy, Mount Vernon, Cochranville, Campbellsville, Landenberg, North Star, Avondale, and Topkaneman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania.
There's another one.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 16 miles north of West Chester, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Source: radar indicated.
It's 30 miles per hour.
Dublin,
Hazard: 60
Green Lane, and 6. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 313 and 321. Northeast extension between mile markers 23 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery.
Green Lane and 6. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 3.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for northeastern Hartford and northwestern Cecil counties.
For your 3:49 p.m. thunderstorm was located. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery. Call.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland.
Not surprising.
Until 5:15 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of Delaware Grace, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spessooty Island, Delaware Grace, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the regional weather
Sabay tayo
forecast.
tumos. Sabay tayo tumos. Sabay tayo tumos.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 590, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware, Delaware, north of East Point, New Jersey,
The
to
National
Slaughter
Weather
Beach,
Service
Delaware,
has issued
and
severe
Chesapeake,
thunderstorm
north of
watch
Forest
number
Island, Maryland.
590, effective until
Remember,
9
a
p.m.
severe thunderstorm watch
This watch
means the
includes the
conditions
following
are
counties
favorable for the
in Delaware,
development of severe
Kent and
weather,
Newcastle,
including
and
large
Cecil,
hail and
Maryland,
damaging winds
and the following
in
counties
and close to
in
the
New
watch
Jersey:
area.
Burlington,
While
Camden,
severe weather may
Cumberland,
not be imminent,
Gloucester,
persons
Hunterdon,
should remain
Mercer,
alert for
Monmouth, and
rapidly
Salem,
changing
and the
weather
following
conditions
counties
and
in
listen to the latest
Pennsylvania:
statements
Bucks,
and possible
Chester,
warnings.
Delaware,
Stay
Montgomery,
tuned
and
to NOAA Weather
Philadelphia,
Radio,
and the following
commercial
marine
radio, and
locations:
television
Delaware
outlets,
Bay
or
waters north
internet
of
sources
East
for
Point,
the
New
latest
Jersey to
severe
Slaughter
weather
Beach,
information.
Delaware, and Chesapeake
Repeating,
Bay north of
severe
Fools Island,
thunderstorm watch
Maryland.
number 590 has
Remember,
been
a
issued
severe
until 9
thunderstorm
p.m. for the
watch
following
means the
counties
conditions
in
are
Delaware,
favorable for the
Kent and
development of
Newcastle,
severe
and
weather,
Cecil,
including
Maryland,
large hail
and
and
the following
damaging winds
counties
in
in New
and
Jersey:
close to the watch
Burlington,
area.
Camden, Cumberland,
While severe weather
Gloucester,
may not be
Hunterdon,
imminent,
Mercer,
persons should
Monmouth, and
remain
Salem,
alert for
and the
rapidly
following
changing
counties
weather
in
conditions
Pennsylvania:
and listen
Bucks,
for later
Chester,
statements and possible
Delaware,
warnings.
Montgomery, and
Stay
Philadelphia,
tuned to
and the
NOAA
following
Weather Radio,
marine locations:
commercial radio,
Delaware,
and television.
New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 6:30 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles northwest of Pea Patch Island to near Northeast River, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Pea Patch Island, Stony Point, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 590, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Pea Patch Island to near Northeast River to near Aberdeen Proving Ground, moving northeast at 15 knots. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include
Oh my God.
River, Turkey Point, Spessooty Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, and have Delaware Trace. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official National Weather.
Oh my God.
Here we go. Hey, it's from my area. It's from my area. It's from my area.
The National Weather Service
From my area.
in Raleigh, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, south central Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
That's where I live.
Until 6:30 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from northeast Philadelphia to Ashland, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Severe thunderstorm
Hazard,
warning for
60 miles per
northwestern
hour.
Campbell County in southern New Jersey,
Source,
south
radar
central Mercer
indicated.
County in central New Jersey,
Impact,
northwestern
damage to
Burlington
roofs,
County in
tanks,
southern New
trees,
Jersey,
and power lines
southeastern Bucks
responsible.
County in southeastern
Locations
Pennsylvania,
impacted include
northeastern Philadelphia County in
Trenton,
southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from northeast Philadelphia to Ashland, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Cherry Hill, then Salem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Voorhees, Medford, Lindenwood, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptank River. Atchison River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 9:30 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., gust fronts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southeast of Fort Washington to 9 nautical miles southwest of Yokomico River, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, Breton Bay, Hooper Island Light, Crisfield, Nanjemoy Creek, Southwest Middle Grounds, Ewell, Dahlgren, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, St. George Island, Point No Point, Calvert Cliffs, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy, Popes Creek, St. Clements Bay, Smith Island, and Piney Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official National Weather Service.